Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2025 Actyon SUV is here to shake things up in the compact SUV segment with a bold new design and improved technology. Known for its rugged appeal and practical build, the Actyon has always been an underdog, but this time it's coming back with serious intent to challenge mainstream rivals. From the front, the aggressive grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted hood give it a dynamic and commanding road presence. The proportions have been refined, blending urban sophistication with a touch of adventure-ready attitude. It's not trying to look like every other SUV on the road, it's carving its own identity, and that's what makes it interesting. Step inside and you're greeted with a cabin that feels both premium and practical. The new interior layout features a driver-focused cockpit with a large infotainment display seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. Soft touch materials, brushed metallic accents, and customizable ambient lighting elevate the cabin atmosphere. Space-wise, it's impressive for a compact SUV. Both front and rear passengers have ample headroom and legroom, while the boot offers enough capacity to handle everything from weekend getaways to the weekly grocery haul. The seats provide good support for long drives, and higher trims come with heating and ventilation features, adding that extra touch of comfort you don't usually expect at this price point. The 2025 Actyon SUV is not just about looks and comfort though. Under the hood, you get multiple engine choices depending on your market. The standard is a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine producing around 170 horsepower paired with either a 6-speed manual or a refined automatic transmission. For those who prefer efficiency, there's also a mild hybrid option, improving both fuel economy and emissions. What stands out is how composed the Actyon feels on the road. Whether you're driving through city traffic or cruising on the highway, the suspension setup balances comfort and control remarkably well. Noise insulation has been improved too, meaning the cabin remains relatively quiet even at higher speeds. Tech features are another strong point of the new Actyon. The infotainment system supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with wireless capability, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. There's also a fully digital instrument cluster that can be customized to show navigation, media, or driving data depending on your preference. Advanced safety features come standard, including autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. It's clear that the brand has made a conscious effort to position the Actyon as a value-packed SUV that doesn't compromise on essential modern features. Where the 2025 Actyon really scores is in its versatility. It's equally suitable for families, young professionals, and even outdoor enthusiasts. Roof rails come standard, making it easier to mount bikes or extra cargo for adventures. The ground clearance has been slightly increased compared to the previous generation, offering better confidence on gravel roads or rougher surfaces without turning it into a full off-roader. Fuel efficiency figures are competitive too, making it a smart choice for those looking for practicality without constant stops at the gas station. Overall, the 2025 Actyon SUV is a much-needed refresh that brings modern style, enhanced performance, and up-to-date technology to a model that deserves more recognition. While it may not yet have the same badge appeal as some of its competitors, it more than makes up for it with substance, value, and a unique sense of character. For buyers who want something different from the mainstream without sacrificing features or practicality, the new Actyon stands as a strong contender in the compact SUV market. It's bold, it's capable, and it's ready to take on the competition head first. We'll see you next video.